Have you ever pondered about the universe and its mysterious ways of connecting with us? Our lives, you see, are not just a series of random happenings. They are more akin to an intricate tapestry woven with the threads of cosmic experiences. These threads bind our individual paths together, creating a design that is as unique as it is profound. And these connections, they're not mere coincidences. Oh no, they're much more than that. They're signs, signals, whispers from the cosmos, suggesting a deeper link between our existence and the universe, a link that hints at a grander design, a greater purpose. This universe, this vast, expansive cosmos, it communicates with us in ways that are subtle yet profound. And these communications, these cosmic signs, are profound indicators of a path chosen by the universe, a path that, as you will soon discover, is meant just for you. At this point, one might wonder, how do we recognize these cosmic signs? Well, these signs are not as elusive as they might seem. They often manifest as an awakening, a sudden realization of the subtle relationship between our inner soul and the expansive universe. Imagine being in a vast, star-studded sky. Each star is a unique experience, a cosmic sign waiting to be acknowledged. Sometimes these signs are obvious, like a shooting star streaking across the night sky. Other times they are subtle, like the faint twinkle of a distant star. Recognizing these signs is a journey of self-discovery and exploration. It requires an openness to experience the extraordinary in the ordinary, the cosmic in the commonplace. It's about understanding that our lives are not just a series of random events, but a grand cosmic narrative that is waiting to be decoded. Recognizing these signs is like deciphering a cosmic language, a secret dialogue between us and the universe. Our intuition, believe it or not, plays a vital role in this cosmic connection. This unseen, often unacknowledged force is the bridge between our consciousness and the universe itself. It's like a hidden compass within us, a silent guide that whispers the way forward even when the path ahead seems shrouded in mystery. Intuition is a fascinating aspect of our being. It's not bound by the constraints of logic or reason, it simply knows. It's a deep-seated sense of understanding that often defies explanation. This is the universe speaking to us, nudging us gently along our chosen path. Intuition is not to be feared or dismissed, but embraced and trusted. It's a unique tool, a cosmic GPS, that helps us navigate the complexities of life. By paying heed to our intuition, by trusting these inner whispers, we begin to align ourselves with the universe. By tuning into our intuition, we are adjusting our frequency to resonate with the vibrations of the universe. As we align ourselves with the universe, the signs become more discernible. Now, what do these signs look like? They can be as simple and personal as your innate talents and passions. These are the things that make your heart sing, that ignite a fire within you, and that you could spend hours doing without ever growing tired. These are not mere hobbies or interests. They can be the universe's way of pointing you towards your purpose, your unique contribution to the world. But signs can also come disguised as challenges. These are not meant to knock us down, but to push us to grow, to step out of our comfort zones, and to unlock strengths we never knew we had. These trials are the universe's way of molding us, preparing us for the path it has chosen for us. These signs, subtle or clear, are the universe's way of nudging us towards our true path. Being in tune with the universe also means accepting and navigating the flow of life. You see, life in all its complexity is not a straight line. It's more like a river full of unexpected twists and turns. And just as a river flows, life unfolds in its own time and direction. It's easy to view these unexpected changes as obstacles, but when we're in sync with the universe, we see them differently. We see them not as roadblocks, but as stepping stones. Each twist, each turn, is an opportunity for evolution, a chance for growth. It's as if the universe is gently nudging us, saying, "Here, this is the next step. Are you ready?" But how do we navigate these twists and turns? How do we accept the flow of life? It starts with letting go of our need to control every aspect of our journey, letting go of our fear of the unknown, letting go of our resistance to change. It's about surrendering to the flow and trusting the universe to guide us. But let's be clear, accepting the flow of life doesn't mean we become passive observers. On the contrary, it's about active participation. It's about making conscious choices, but with a deep understanding that we're not alone in making these choices. We are co-creators with the universe. This acceptance, this willingness to dance with life's ebb and flow, is a sign of being chosen by the universe. It's a sign that we're on the right path, that we're aligned with our cosmic destiny. So why resist the river's flow? Why struggle against the current? Embrace the journey, embrace the changes, embrace the unknown, because in the grand scheme of things, every twist, every turn, every ripple in the river is an integral part of our journey. As we navigate through life's river, we grow, we evolve, we transform. And with each transformation, we come closer to our true selves, our authentic selves, the selves that the universe intended us to be. Those chosen by the universe learn to dance with life's ebb and flow, seeing each change as a step towards evolution. The people we meet, the bonds we form, are not mere coincidences. This simple truth is something that many of us often overlook. Yet each encounter, each connection leaves a distinct imprint on our being, a subtle affirmation that we are indeed walking a path chosen by the universe. Imagine every interaction, every conversation as a thread spun from the cosmic loom, each one intertwining with the tapestry of our life, adding depth, color, and texture to our story. The briefest of exchanges, the most fleeting of connections, can spark a change, ignite an idea, or open a door to a world we never knew existed. Just as the stars in the night sky are connected by invisible lines, forming constellations that tell ancient tales, our encounters form patterns, painting a unique narrative of our journey. They are cosmic signposts, guiding us, reminding us that we are not alone, that we are part of something larger, something profound. And while it's easy to dismiss these encounters as happenstance, as random events in the chaos of life, recognizing them as cosmic signs can transform our perspective. It's like flipping a switch, illuminating the dark corners of the cosmos, revealing a path that was once hidden. But how do we recognize these signs? It's simple, really. We need to be present, to be open, to listen not just with our ears, but with our hearts. Because the language of the universe isn't spoken in words, but in moments, in feelings, in connections. And what about those encounters that challenge us, that push us out of our comfort zone? Well, they too are signs. They are the universe's way of nudging us towards growth, towards evolution. They are reminders that we are dynamic beings, constantly changing, constantly evolving. So the next time you cross paths with a stranger, engage in a deep conversation with a friend, or even share a simple smile with a passerby, remember this: these are not just random events. They are cosmic signs, whispers from the universe affirming that you are on the right path. Each encounter is a cosmic sign, a confirmation of being on the right path. Every sign, every intuition, every challenge overcome is a fundamental piece of this cosmic puzzle we call life. As we journey along the spiraling path of existence, we've explored how our lives are far from a series of random events. Instead, they unravel as an intricate tapestry woven with cosmic experiences that bind our individual paths. These connections, these cosmic signs, are not mere coincidences, but profound signals that hint at a deeper tie between our existence and the universe. We've discovered that the awakening to these signs is accessible to everyone and often manifests as an understanding of the subtle relationship between our soul and the vast universe. Recognizing these signs is akin to decoding a hidden narrative that transcends everyday understanding. Our aura, the energy field that envelops us, is a vivid testament to our authentic connection with the universe. When we are genuinely aligned with the cosmic forces, our aura radiates a unique light, reflecting our inner alignment. Intuition, our internal compass, guides us through our journey. By tuning into our intuition, we adjust our frequency to resonate with the vibrations of the universe. This alignment makes the signs that the universe has chosen us more discernible. We've realized that those who feel a deep connection with the universe often challenge norms, question conventions, and explore beyond predefined boundaries. They seek deep understanding and meaning, becoming catalysts for the expansion of consciousness. The ability to accept and navigate the flow of life is a sign of being in tune with the universe. Instead of resisting life's unpredictable twists and turns, those chosen by the universe learn to dance with them, seeing changes not as obstacles but opportunities for evolution. The people we meet, the bonds we form, are signs that we are aligned with the universe. Each connection, no matter how brief, leaves a mark on our being, affirming that we are on a path chosen by the universe. By recognizing these signs, we open our eyes to the magic inherent in our existence and gratefully accept the responsibility of treading the path the universe has chosen for us.